Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Toyota Yaris. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and a drain pan. It's crucial to ensure the engine is completely cool before you start. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, drain all the engine coolant from both the radiator and the engine block. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle. Now, let's get to accessing the water pump itself. Begin by removing the drive belt. You'll need to release the tension from the tensioner pulley first. Next, detach any hoses or other components that are blocking your clear access to the pump. Carefully unbolt the power steering pump and gently move it out of the way without disconnecting the lines. Finally, remove the crankshaft pulley to ensure you have full, unobstructed access to the water pump. With the old pump exposed, you can now unbolt it from the engine block. Once removed, it's absolutely critical to thoroughly clean the mounting surface, ensuring all old gasket material is completely gone. This step prevents future leaks. Now, install your new water pump with a brand new gasket, making sure it aligns perfectly. Tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 9 foot-pounds, to ensure a secure and leak-free seal. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reinstall all the components you removed earlier, working in the reverse order. Reconnect the drive belt, making sure it has the correct tension. Next, refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture for your vehicle. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating. Once complete, start the engine, let it warm up, and carefully check for any signs of leaks around the new water pump.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.